It's 7 a.m. from Fox 35. This is Good Day Orlando.
All right, still ahead. Time to update your computer.
Windows 10 released at midnight, but should you download it? Is it a good idea? Our tech expert Tom Jelneck joins us when we take a look at the pros and the cons coming up. Today, your computer could get a big makeover. Microsoft is launching Windows 10. The massive software upgrade came out at midnight, so some people already got it. So the big question is, should you download it? Tom Jelneck from On Target Web Solutions joins us now to discuss it. Always good to see you. Appreciate you being here. All right, 10 came out. You've seen it. What are your thoughts here?
So this is pretty exciting for techies and kids alike, and I'll tell you why.
The
kids. First and foremost, one of the coolest features on here, there's a new Minecraft version, John. So your kids are going to be downloading this like you wouldn't believe.
What else does it do, though? Because Amy and I were discussing this earlier. The last time we upgraded the new version, and I don't remember which one I did, it stank. I couldn't figure it out. I didn't like it. I had to switch back. Is this one going to be, I guess, ready for users?
Yeah, so Microsoft really had to redeem itself, right? There was a huge gap. In fact, they kept out Windows 9 because they didn't want it so close to Windows 8. So
if you skip 9, 10 is much better.
Pretty much, right? So now we're talking bigger numbers. So the coolest thing on here, they brought the start button back. I was using one the other night. I couldn't figure out how to get to where I needed to get.
Yeah, I hated that.
It drives me nuts.
So there's a start button on this.
There's a start button.
Okay.
The other really cool thing is they have a voice-activated Cortana. So if you ever played Halo, John, I don't know if you have, all right? She's one of the characters in Halo. So it's the equivalent to Apple Siri. Pretty cool.
So you can talk to your computer.
You can talk, and it'll talk back to you.
What about the web browser? You said Explorer's gone now. What did they replace that with?
Thank God it's gone. Right? So they brought back this, they created a new browser called Edge. And one of the really neat things is if you're looking at Argyle socks, for example, John, and you want to share it with the missus, you can actually write a note on the web page, send her the link, and she can see all your notes about which ones you like.
Oh, circle. Oh, for Christmas shopping. Hey, I like this, I like this, and then send that to her.
So I'm pretty excited about that.
Now, let's talk about the price here, because that's interesting, too. Yeah. It's free right now.
Microsoft really has to redeem itself, right? So they are offering this as a free download, started at midnight, so you can go get it. Good for a year. So after a year, they're going to start charging for it.
But if you get it within this year,
yes, correct.
It's free.
Right.
If you wait for a year, you're going to have to pay for it.
That's the story.
So they won't start charging you after a year if you download it.
No, that's correct. That's
okay,
correct.
Gotcha. All right, making sure. So it doesn't cost you anything. Can you revert back?
Okay, so here's the dicey thing. This is what I want you to pay attention to. I don't want you to run out and do it if you're on the edge, if you're on the fence, right? Your computer has to be big enough, has to have enough memory. I don't want to bog your machine down. So my recommendation, give it 2 months, right? Unless you have to have it right now.
Okay.
Give it 2 months and let all the bugs work themselves out.
Because they'll fix that stuff.
Yes,
so,
hopefully.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Tom Jelneck, On Target Web Solutions. Always good to see you.
Great
Appreciate
to see you.
it. All right, we'll talk to you soon.
Thanks.
All right, Amy, back over to you.
All right.